and subscribe Anong Sayo TV mo.
Annyeonghaseyo mga kanyong! Welcome to my channel, Anong Sayo TV. Today's video, we will talk about Kanghoon, only here on Annyeong Chika Update! Kanghoon joined Shin Ye-sun and Lee Jun-wook for a new drama. It was reported on May 3rd by Star News that Kanghoon will be appearing to ENA's upcoming drama To My Harry, alongside Shin Ye-sun and Lee Jun-wook. A representative from Kanghoon's agency responded and said Kanghoon is positively considering starring in To My Harry. To My Harry is a heating romance drama that revolves around Joo Eun-ho, an announcer who develops dissociative identity disorder, following the disappearance of her younger sibling and her breakup with her longtime boyfriend, Yeon-woo. If Kanghoon will accept the offer, he will play the role of Kang Joo-yeon. He will become an anchor to fulfill his late brother's wish. To My Harry is scheduled to air on ENA mid to late this year. That's it mga kaanyong. Are you very excited for the upcoming drama of Kanghoon with Shin Ye-sun and Lee Jun-wook? Comment your thoughts below.
Ayan, then please like and subscribe sa